I'm going to show you how you can split up a clip and apply slow motion to one section of it. And this is one way of doing it. There may be other ways of doing this, but the way I'm going to show you is that I've got the clip in a storyboard mode, and I've already trimmed it down to the section that I want. And what I want is when the rider goes to the top of this set of railings here, when he takes off, I want it to go into slow motion. So this first section I'm just going to take as the normal speed section, and I'm going to trim it down further, and sorry about the noise here, so that it just is where he's just taking off there, that's where it's going to finish. So I've just cut that down. You can use these buttons down here to set the in and out points of when you're trimming. So it starts off with him coming up to the railings, and it finishes when he's just flying off the top. Okay, so that's normal speed, and then I'm going to bring the same clip back in from my media section up here, and I'm going to drop it in straight after. And I've got a crossfade. I don't really want any transition there. Okay, so this section I'm going to make it from when he flies off the top to where I want it to finish. Again, sorry about the noise, just bear with this. So from there, so that'll be my in point, and just decide where you want it to finish. Sorry. Okay, that'll do where he lands, but you could take more time over yours. So if I say OK to that, I've now got two clips, one which should finish where he's taking off and one which starts where he's taking off. Now you could take more time and really try and get exactly the same point in your clips. I'm going to go to timeline mode, and I'm going to stretch the second clip. So I'm going to hold down Control, and I'm going to stretch it so it's in slow motion. Let's just see what I've got. So the two clips should join together. I don't think it will be seamless because I've done it very quickly, but they should join together, and the second one should be slow motion. So let's watch. It goes up the ramp, and then it goes into slow motion. Actually, that wasn't too bad. Now again, don't forget that when you do this on screen, it will look much better than it is doing on this playback on this video. So have a good go at that. It's quite an interesting one to do. You can do it with any effect, and you'll see some other effects in the other tutorials, but you can split a clip up like that by just having it twice in the storyboard and just taking the sections that you want, and you can maybe change the colour or slow it down or change the brightness or anything like that you can do, which looks very effective.